Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing a new AC system today for some customers that their AC went bad yesterday. So we can see here, there's the old one there, and there's a new one there with a new platform. So we're gonna walk inside here. Here's a new furnace and coil. Here comes the old furnace. And there's the old coil. Get a new one installed here in a bit. So call us for AC heating refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video, okay? Thanks. 24/7. Bye-bye.